Hi teachers, hi future teachers. I am teacher Allison. Welcome back to my classroom where we talk all about teaching online ESL, from the hiring process, just lost my letter B, to from the hiring process to teaching tips and tricks to just real life chats about what's going on in our students' lives halfway around the globe. And today I come to you with a teaching trick. So we are talking all about secondary rewards you can do with nothing but a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, okay? If you don't have a whiteboard, you can get them fairly cheap at the dollar store sometimes. You can find them obviously at Target, Hobby Lobby. You can also, I'm pretty sure Home Depot or Lowe's has them in like sheets and they will cut them down, because if you're gonna notice, I have a lot of these and they're like the same size and they're not the greatest quality. Like you can see here, all the erasing, it does the trick, right? Okay, so secondary rewards you can do with nothing but a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. The first one I'm going to show you is tic-tac-toe. This is pretty popular. Some teachers like to use the white blank slide on the end, but I like to use a whiteboard because it's less flipping. And I also have a little tic-tac-toe grid that I use. So some teachers will just like number the grid, but I like to bump it up a little bit, and I use vocabulary words from the lesson. So this is from a lesson I just did. It's a level 4 lesson. It's on the fairy tale unit. And she would go, and then I'd ask, do you want to be banana today? Or do you want to be monkey? And then I'd put it on our chart, and then I would pick, and teacher versus student. Sometimes you let them win, sometimes you don't. If you're like me, sometimes you lose on accident. And, I found this at the dollar spot in Target a few months ago. It was relatively cheap. I don't use it only for tic-tac-toe. I use it for props too. When I'm teaching the littles, I'm getting off topic, but hold on. Same. Different. Also monkey, banana, yellow, red. You get the gist, right? Definitely if you're going to do this, I suggest putting like magnets on these, because I've definitely held it up and they've toppled. So pro tip there. If you're doing this with a regular, sometimes I will use words I know they have struggled with in previous units, and I will put it on their whiteboard so they get a little additional practice. If it's a new to you, then just click through the lesson, use the vocab words that are that they list for you before you even open the materials, because you put a lot of work into this, okay? Otherwise, you can just do numbers, but I just like to bump it up a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's number one. Easy peasy. The second one you can do is you can award the stars on your whiteboard. I don't do this because I want a magnetic one, and this one's not magnetic. If yours is, great. So here is your star that I'm dropping. I got this off Teachers Pay Teachers. You can use cute scrapbook paper. You can use just regular colored construction paper. Do whatever works for you guys. This is cheap, right? Don't go crazy with it. So great job, Bow Bow. 1 star. Stick it, and it's done. And then it's still up there because it's magnetic. 2 stars. And blah, 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 right? Visual. They get it. They can count it. It's exciting. You can make fun games with it. You can make this your own, guys, but they're stars, all right? Third is their name. Now, it sounds really lame and boring, but this is really good for your kind of higher level kids. So let's say the kid's name is Bow Bow. So you are going to write, you can do this on a piece of paper too, but I like this because you can reuse it. So you're going to write Bow Bow. Bow Bow, what is something that starts with the letter B? Banana. So you're going to write banana. See? And then you can go A next, you can go O next, you can go B again. This is fun, and it kind of lets you assess your student. Apple. And then when you're done, they have this cute little anagram of their name, and you can put it in feedback. And you can say, Bow Bow remembers these words from previous units. Super easy, right? All right, the fourth one is drawing. So you can use your whiteboard to draw with the student. You got a little Elsa fan? Draw the Elsa snowflake, but don't do it all at once. What is it? I might not be drawing it right. I'm not a very good artist, so I don't do this reward in my classroom very often. But you're kind of getting the gist, right? I maybe should have just done straight lines. And then you can do the little snowflake shards. It kind of looks like a snowflake, and if you're a better artist than me and you pick a better color, then it works. You got a little Spider-Man fan. Start drawing a spider web. If you don't know, then do something generic or your best guess. So, kind of looks like Pac-Man, but it's not. You guys, I can't draw, but you know, it's a fish. Great job, Bobo. So, you know, get creative with it. Have fun with it. There are lots of amazing drawings on Instagram if you're interested in it. And the last one, I call it Rainbow Word. I don't know what the real name is, but I also don't do this one because my dry erase markers are dying. But anyways, each reward they get, you're going to color in a section of your whiteboard, and you're going to do this better than me, but I am trying to be aware of your time. So that's going to be like a different color, and then you're going to do it again. And then when you're done, you're going to erase their name. So I'm just going to erase it in like one section just for the sake of my marker and your time. You're adults, you get it, right? So Elsa. It's hard to see. Yours is obviously going to be much bigger, okay? You can also draw a shape. You can just do a heart and you can color in the heart. You can do a star. Stars are appropriate. You can draw a dino. I don't know. Get creative to your heart's content. And 6, last one, guess a word. So you are going to give them a word. Let's see. You've picked the word beforehand, okay? Okay, Bow Bow, you get the letter C. What is it? I don't know. Okay, you come back. You get the letter N. What is it? They still don't know. Sorry about the glare from my light. I thought I fixed it. You get the letter Y. What is it? You're going to keep going that way in the word, you guys, that I picked is country. Again, I like to pick words in the lesson or in previous lessons just to help extend and to help review the content. VIPKid does not require secondary rewards. However, a parent can give you a bad review for not having the secondary reward, and VIPKid will not invalidate it. So it is your choice whether or not you do it, but you are risking a bad review. I personally don't do it in every lesson because sometimes I just do not have the time, and I hope for the best. Especially for my regulars, like they know that I try to do secondary rewards. But yeah, that is 5 you can do with just a whiteboard. This is great to bring to your mock classes, you guys, if they're looking for that, because they don't have the built-in star system. It's a great way to give them rewards other than high five, yay, you know? So yeah, so that's it. 6 rewards you can do with nothing but a whiteboard, and it kind of helps break up the class, especially if you notice your kids getting really bored. Some of the lessons, not super fun. Some of the lessons are really dense and you don't have time. So I hope that was helpful. If you liked the content, please give me a subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything important. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for all of my shenanigans. Like today, my dryer's broken, so I was drying my towels in the breeze, and I shared that with everybody. So teacher.allison on Instagram. If you like this content and you would like me to be your referral teacher, please drop my code or use my link. Both are below. My code is ALLYS 0124. And please email me when you do. I can see that my code has been used, but I cannot see any of your contact information. So I have no way of helping you unless you get in touch with me first. Okay, my email, I'm going to drop that as well, onlineteacherallyson@gmail.com. And then check out my website where I have tons of other resources for you. Again, link in the bottom. And thanks for watching. Let me know how these worked in your class, you guys. I love seeing these success stories, and let me know what other rewards you do with whiteboards, because I know there are so many out there. I want to see your great drawing creations. So let me know. Let me see it. I'd love to share it. I'll share it on my Instagram. I will share that in my stories. Let me know. I love to see this. I love to share. And I love helping people through this job. So I hope you enjoyed today's content, and I will see you guys next time. Happy teaching. Bye.